First of all, get your candle wick ready, and then you're going to prime the wick. That means dipping the wick in melted wax. So that means literally dipping the wick in the wax that you've melted and straightening it out. You can go on to step 2. You've got your primed wick. Get your mold and quite simply thread the wick through the mold. Maybe not that simple this morning. There we go. You need to seal at the bottom, so use press stick or similar. There we go, no leaky. And secondly, you would need to find an ingenious way of keeping the wick centered. Et voila, you're ready for action. In the meantime, you'll have melted your candle wax. Pour it into the mold. Once the candle wax is cold, you can take a Sasati stick or similar and poke 2 holes near the wick. Once the wax has cooled completely, you're ready to fill up these huge holes. Now set aside your candle to cool completely, and when you're done you can take it out the mold.